Alright everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make delicious tacos al pastor at home. An easy recipe, anyone can do it. Let's start. Starting with our chilies, alright? We're going to need 3 chilies. It's just going to be 2 guajillos and 1 ancho. We're going to get those cut open. We want to devein them, take out the seeds. We don't want any of that spice getting into our sauce. After those chilies are deseeded, we want to get them into a pot with just enough water to cover on top of the stove, bring them to a light boil, and then turn off the heat and cover and let it sit for about 5 minutes. To measure out a half teaspoon of cumin, 1 clove, 2 black peppercorns, a half teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of achiote paste. Then we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're also going to need 2 garlic cloves and 1/4 of a small onion. Now we're going to get everything blended together. After the first blend, we're going to add a 1/3 cup of water, and then we're going to blend again until we have a smooth paste. Now we're going to be using a pound of pork shoulder here that we'll be slicing 1/4 of an inch thick, and we're going to be laying out on a plate. Now we're going to be adding about a tablespoon of our paste on each slice of pork. Alright, we're going to put it on both sides, 1 tablespoon for both sides, and we're just going to layer them up so they can start to marinate all together. We want to get it wrapped and put in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, but it's best overnight. Now it's the next day, and we're going to get our pork uncovered, and we're going to get our pan hot and greased. When our pan is ready, we're going to start to lay our pork slices on our pan. We want those to cook for about 5 minutes on the first side and about 2 to 3 minutes on the next side. We're going to slice our pork and also some pineapple. And now to build our taco, we're going to add some of our pork, some of our grilled pineapples, a little bit of chopped onion and cilantro, our salsa taquera, and if you want to know the recipe for that, just let me know in the comments. And as they say in Mexico, bien provecho.